talk about very quickly 20 thoughts on the recent past of marketing, because I believe that will be the likely future of marketing in this kind of post-Cotillarian age. I really start with digital, and specifically with India. I mean, when we started Pinstorm 7-8 years ago, the standard belief was, digital is this niche thing. I'll give you 2% of my budget. Who really cares about digital? The really interesting thing is, I don't know if you know that last year in October, the number of internet users in India crossed the number of cable and satellite television households. Right? And by next year, the number of social media users in India alone will be greater than the number of cable and satellite households. Right? So you're now talking about the fact that you're in the 100 million plus range. So you now know it's no longer a niche medium you're talking about. 85 odd million desktop internet users, 50, 55 million, depending on who you're talking to, mobile internet users. The rest is, you dedupe them, you'll get about 100, 108, 110 million internet users, but there are only 103 million cable and satellite boxes out there. Even more interestingly, every single day in India, Facebook delivers a greater audience than the audience in SEC AB who watches television on an IPL match. So if you're sitting out there saying IPL is God, you must know out there that typically, an IPL match is a rating of 3 or 4, which in SCCAB translates about 4 or 5 million people. Facebook alone delivers 6.5 million people every day in India. Right? So if so the traditional rules are there. And obviously, if you get a 10-second spot there on IPL, you're spending 12 to 20 lakh rupees. Here, 12 to 20 lakh rupees will suffice for half a year of an extraordinary amount of activity, let alone 10 seconds. So again, the point here is that anybody who tells you that digital is small or unremarkable or a 2% medium is either blind or ignorant or sells TV or sells print or all of the above. Right? So these are numbers we're talking about. So the tipping point has come and gone. I come from that world. I started, selling stuff door to door. I did television, I did print, and I'm my 27th year in marketing. And it's taken a long time. I've been in digital alone for 17 years, and it's taken 16 years for this change to happen. In fact, if you look at particular properties, there is not a television or print property in India alone that matches these numbers. Google has 5 million uniques, Facebook 31 million uniques, Yahoo 28 million uniques. If I go all the way down to IPL, we'll give you 6 million uniques, and Star Plus will give you 5 million uniques. Right? I do want to say this time and again, there's not a single television property out there that matches the reach of digital properties. Television is far, far smaller in India, in SEC than digital. Right? All cost. If I take the cost per thousand, on any match basis, you will see the cost per thousand for digital across the same numbers is less than the cost per thousand on television. We are now at a point where you can actually do side-by-side comparisons. Right? Digital is actually bigger than mainstream. The second point is not just a surprising amount of usage, but this IMRB study, I don't have the 2010 data, but we're talking about 16 hours a week of usage 2 years ago. I don't have last year's data. That's 2.25 hours a day. And that's larger than the consumption of TV. So we're not just talking about larger number of users, we're talking about more time spent online than spent on television. The third thing is, you still say, okay, but mass media, television, print, even if I take Doordarshan, and the reach of individuals of Doordarshan, including bachas who are under 12 years of age, all of that put together is 420 million people. Mobile phone reaches 800 million people in India today, which is about 95% more than the reach of television, including Doordarshan. So you're talking about a mass medium, the only mass medium in India is mobile. It is not television, it is not print, it is not radio. Right? But given all this, not all of digital is growing equally. You might say, oh, okay, fine, all of digital is growing. Actually, it's really not. So if I look at what I call traditional digital, which is Yahoo, Rediff, In.com, India Times, the average CAGR out there is about 12% year on year, which is really good. 12% year on year is not bad. But this is, obviously it can't explain the meteoric 100% rise in consumption. Portal usage is largely stagnated. So where has the growth come from? The growth has really come from places like Blogspot, the same base, 196% year-on-year growth in India. YouTube, 219% year-over-year growth in India. I don't know if you know, the largest English television channel in India is YouTube. It's far larger than any of the other English channels that's out there. LinkedIn, 308% year-over-year. Facebook, 615% year-over-year. Across the same base, same numbers, all of this, right? So essentially, social has grown at an average CAGR of 250% over the last couple of years. All these charts are all India numbers, January 2009 to July 2011. So essentially, you can attribute virtually all the growth out there to growth from social sites. Right? So the big development is the spread size and ubiquity of social networks. If I look at the largest sites in India, apart from Google.com,